Seen those epic Minecraft animations by Becker? Pretty cool, right? What if I told you can make them on your phone? With Sticknodes, it's possible. In this video, I'll show you how to create animations like this in 7 steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Adding objects. There are 2 ways to add objects in Sticknodes: figure method and image method. To add as a figure, go to the site from the link in the description. Click the 3 lines at the top, scroll down, and click Stick Figures. Scroll down a bit and type Minecraft in the search bar. You'll see lots of Minecraft figures and blocks. To download one, click the name of the pack, then open the file. Sticknodes will launch. To add the figures, click Select All, and then Save Import. To add the figure to your scene, go to Library Tools and select Import Stick Figure. Set the list to Newest and choose the one you want, then click Import. Then add it to your scene from the left panel. Adding objects using images can sometimes be more useful. To do this, go to Google and type Minecraft Blocks PNG in the search bar. From the Images section, download the photo of the block you want. Open Sticknodes and click on Library Tools. Click on Create Sprite and select the photo you downloaded. Carefully crop the block image you want. After naming it, click the plus icon to add it. Then click Add Sprite to place it in your scene. Now your block is in the scene. If you want to build a background using blocks, you can watch this video on my channel. Step 2. Creating a figure. If you want to make figures like Becker, tap the Library menu and select Create New Stick Figure. Here, you can design your own figures. To add parts, go to the top panel, choose Segment, and drag upward from the selected part. This will be the body of your character. To add the head, select Circle and drag upward from the top part. Use the stretch feature to adjust the lengths. Add arms and legs the same way. Add feet to the bottom of the legs. You can tilt the parts slightly to make your figure look more like Becker's stickmen. Finally, to avoid issues with foot movement, use this option to hide the front nodes. That way, you won't have any problems. Save and name your character. After saving, click the X button to exit. From the left panel, add your figure. Now you can animate with it. If you're having trouble, you can join our Discord server and download ready-made figures from there. Step 3. Adding your Minecraft skin. You can easily add your own Minecraft skin to Sticknodes. First, make sure your skin is saved in your gallery. Tap Library and then Create Sprite. After selecting your skin, tap the Read Minecraft Skin button. Your skin will appear like this. To add the outer layers, check the buttons on the right. To make sure everything is added correctly, rotate the skin and inspect it. After naming your skin, use the button below to add it. That's it. You'll notice that the character's parts don't move. To fix this, go to the left panel and tap Break Apart Movie Clip. Now all parts can move. To rotate the skin, check this option and press plus or minus to rotate your character. When rotated, the parts may spread out a bit, so you'll need to fix them each time. Now your own skin can become part of your animation. Step 4. Sound effects. Adding sound effects in Sticknodes is also very simple. Tap the frame where you want to add sound. Scroll down the left panel and tap Import Sound. Choose the sound you want and tap Import. Then tap the green button to add the sound to your selected frame. That's it. Sometimes the sound you want isn't available in the app, but don't worry. You can add any sound to Sticknodes. You know where to learn how. Step 5. Hotbar. You've probably seen Becker often include the Minecraft hotbar in his animations, and you probably don't know how to add it. No problem, I'll explain it now. Tap Library and then Create Sprite. Then join our Discord server and download this image. After downloading, first crop this part of the image, name it, and tap the plus icon, then crop the small image on the right. After naming it, tap Import Sprites. Now you've added both images. If you add these images directly to your project, you'll notice it's hard and time-consuming to make them follow the character every time. There's a fix for that. Use the arrows to change the placement mode and tap Create New Movie Clip. Add the images here. Select the hotbar and center it. You need to place this box over all the slots. To make it easier, tap Show Arrows from the right panel. When the box is over a slot, add a frame, like you're animating. Move it to the next slot and repeat the process until all slots are done. When finished, check all frames to make sure it looks right. Save the movie clip and tap Cancel to return to your project. To switch between slots, tap the hotbar and scroll down in the left panel. Tap Current Frame. Now you can switch between hotbar slots by increasing or decreasing the number. If moving the hotbar with the character is tiring, you need to attach the hotbar to your character. To do this, tap Create New Stick Figure from the left panel. Make the part in front of you thinner to make it invisible. Save the figure and add it to your project. Make the figure flexible. Tap the figure, then tap Join To from the left panel and select the center of your character. Tap the green button. Stretch the figure upward. Then select the hotbar, tap Join To, and choose the invisible figure. Tap the green button. To fix the hotbar, tap it and press the rotate button once. Now the hotbar will move with your character. Much easier. When switching slots, your character should hold the item from that slot. This is actually very simple. Tap the item over the slot, copy it, and paste it. Resize the item and place it in the character's hand. Pay attention to how items look in the hand. Blocks should look like this, while tools should look like this. When switching items, don't forget to delete the previous one. Step 6. Fighting. If your animation includes a fight scene, here's what you need to pay attention to: the position of the attacker and the position of the defender. Start the scene with the attacking side. Remember, the attack should begin slowly. During the attack, move the character's head, sword, and body slightly in each frame to add some life. As you get closer to the moment of contact, slowly move the defender into a defensive pose to show a reaction. Don't end the scene right at the moment of impact. After the clash, both characters should be affected by the momentum, so they should both shake or stagger. To enhance the feeling of impact, select the frame where the hit happens and tap the scene camera. From there, slightly increase or decrease the camera rotation, only for the impact frame. If tweening is on, select the impact frame and check the box. That's it. Don't forget to practice your fight animations. Step 7. Slow motion. To create slow motion, first animate the scene at normal speed. Then decide where you want to add slow motion, and from that frame, start adding tweened frames. Doing this is easy and saves time. Add tweened frames one by one for each frame. Keep adding and checking until the scene looks like slow motion. Remember, the more slow motion, the more frames you'll need. Sometimes the style of slow motion changes from scene to scene, so make sure you've decided clearly before you start adding it. That's it for this video. If it helped you, don't forget to subscribe. If anything was unclear, drop a comment. I'll check them all. Until the next video, take care.